Can you see yourself? This is
Vlog.
the after school vlog. After school vlog, see, it's really the
Hindi
light.
talaga namin para lang sa sunset.
Yeah, exactly. But we're gonna make a content out of it instead. Cause like,
Yes.
why not? This is what we're wearing. We're
bad.
low-key matching.
Low-key? Oh, genuinely?
Like, look, oh. The color palettes. Ikaw naka-blue bag. Mine's kinda green.
Green. Ay, sana na green na lang.
May green ka na ganyan?
Mm-mm.
You have all colors?
Dalawa lang.
Ay, yung green
Yung
mo
last
isa.
time.
Yeah. Sa tingin mo, CPU TV nag-handle ng, like, every time they play the song.
Kaya nga
CPU TV. Kasi nakita ko kanina,
Mm.
nasa taas ng CPU TV yung parang speaker.
No way.
Oo, naman.
Totoo?
Pero like, look at it
As in, it means ang super lakas nun. Kasi
Kinda.
sa boarding house ko din eh.
Oo.
Tara, tawid.
This is what CPU looks like after hours.
After
office hours. Ay, alam mo yung sa Phineas and Ferb?
Ano yun?
After hours.
What the dog doing?
What the dog doing?
Galing ng pattern niya. May pattern recognition.
Diba?
Tanongin nga natin si Sir Lowell. Sir, kayo din.
Sir,
Hindi kasi legit. If ito nga,
diba? Ang lakas. Or meron pang other sources.
oo, sabay-sabay.
Sources?
Homegrown Sir SM. Homegrown Sir...
If
Hindi kasi
SM, madaming choices ng food, madaming malalagawan. If sa homegrowns, tuukulang na.
Sige,
Sige,
SM na lang.
SM na lang.
Sige,
Oh,
SM na lang.
hurry up.
Na parang bang pinit. SM na lang.
She
Parang
literally suggested that shit. I am mainly filming for the sunset because look how pretty that is. We're walking in.
Walking out. We're gonna walk out CPU.
We're walking in and walking out.
Ang galing!
Yourself.
Oh, shit!
Hello.
Hello, saan tayo pupunta?
SM, like the usual. Went to SM. Oh, ang cute oh, my curtains. Tingnan mo ba?
Ay, pucha, may... Wait. Sabi ko parang ba? Manuli. Ay, ang galing.
Ganito. Ang
Oh,
cute.
shit.
Na parang bang
Gusto ko
nasa
mag-emote.
Oo. Curtains out.
Curtains in and
Curtains
out.
in and out.
Ay, pwede tayong mag-kiss.
Bading.